We recently had the opportunity to go visit our friends over at Bonita Terra community in Bonita Springs, Florida, and wanted to summarize a few of the things that we spoke about with them during that visit. We do a lot of mobile homes there, of course, car insurance, and the real thing that we wanted to focus on in our meeting was golf cart insurance. So this is one of those neighborhoods where there's tons of golf carts. It seems there's more people who have them than don't have them. And we want to remind people that buying golf cart coverage is not a secondary option. It really should be a primary coverage that you always buy when you have a golf cart. On those golf cart policies, there's really three main types of coverage that we like to look at. Number one, liability. Liability is going to protect you when you go and have an accident in your golf cart and you cause property damage to somebody else's property. Maybe you hit their golf cart, maybe you hit a sign. It's going to provide liability protection with the people you injure, if that ever was to happen. Number two is going to provide coverage for the golf cart itself. We call it collision or comprehensive coverage, physical damage coverage. When a client calls us to insure a golf cart, we'll actually ask you, what is the value? And whether it's worth $3,000 or $15,000, we'll put that coverage on there. So when your cart is damaged and it's your fault, you have some protection. And then the third coverage on there is coverage that protects you. It can be medical payments, but the big one is uninsured motorist coverage. So when those when those golf cart drivers have an accident and they hit another cart and the guy has no insurance, there can be some protection that they get there through that policy. One of the secrets to golf cart coverage that people don't think about a lot is they think it's going to be expensive. And in general, it's cheap. These are usually $100 a year policies, is from our experience. But the trick to these policies is often it's the same premium, whether you are buying a really high limit policy with the golf cart covered or just basic coverage. So clients often come in our office and they're like, just get me just a bare bones. My neighborhood's making me buy the coverage, and we can do that. And we'll quote it and we'll say it's $100 a year. And then we'll go and we'll take the coverage. Sometimes we'll even quadruple the coverage and it's still the same price. So if you're meeting with an agent or meeting with us, that's one thing that we'll show you how you can improve the coverage and it won't even raise the price. When we were there, a few people started asking us about claims. Does this really happen? Are people just buying this and it's a waste of money, or are there any claims? So here's a few claim examples that we've had recently. These are all true. We've had, obviously, golf carts have collisions. That's pretty obvious. But we had one the other day when we had a golf cart going around a curve in the road and they actually hit a bike. The person on the bike was injured pretty bad, even though they were wearing a helmet. So they had to collect through that policy. We had another where somebody was driving the golf cart on the course, golfing one day. They missed the bridge and they actually drove right into the water. And then we had another one where a golf cart got stolen. The golf cart was stolen and deposited by the friendly thieves into the lake itself. So these examples don't happen very often, but we do recommend getting this coverage. It's not that expensive. If you live in Bonita Terra, make sure you're giving us a call to get that insurance, that insurance specialist. If you just have a golf cart, you live in Florida, we'll help you as well. But we really would encourage you to consider buying these policies. It's not something you should be going without.